What's up everyone, it's Syed, and we're about to dive into the future of studying. We've all been there, staring down a stack of textbooks, wondering how we'll ever conquer this exam. But guys, 2025 is different. We're talking AI-powered study planners that take all the guesswork out of exam prep. Think about it, what if your study plan was as personalized as your Spotify playlist? Custom-tailored study schedules that adapt to your strengths, weaknesses, and deadlines. In this video, we're breaking down how these AI study buddies are changing the game. Trust me, this is one tech upgrade you don't want to miss. All right, let's kick things off with one of the coolest features. Personalized study plans. Remember the days of generic study guides that didn't quite align with your learning style? Yeah, those days are over. We're talking apps like My Study Life and Trello, but supercharged with AI. Imagine inputting your syllabus, deadlines, and learning preferences. The AI crafts a study plan that's tailor-made for you. Let's say you're crushing it in one subject but struggling with another. The AI picks up on that, dynamically adjusting your schedule. It's like having a personal tutor who knows exactly how you learn best and adjusts the game plan accordingly. This level of personalization means you're not wasting time on things you already know, plus no more stressing about creating the perfect study plan from scratch. The AI's got you covered. Okay, let's talk time management, because we all know that's the real struggle, right? These AI-powered apps, they're like the ultimate accountability partners, helping you make the absolute most of every minute. We're talking apps that sync with your calendar, analyze your daily routine, and pinpoint those golden study windows. It's not just about scheduling more study time, it's about scheduling smarter study time. Some apps even factor in the science of spaced repetition, reinforcing your knowledge and boosting long-term retention. The AI understands that taking breaks is crucial for productivity, recommending short bursts of activity or mindfulness exercises to keep your mind fresh. Chapter 3. Real-time progress tracking. Data is your friend. These AI study planners are constantly analyzing your progress, giving you real-time insights into your strengths and weaknesses. We're talking detailed analytics on completed tasks, time spent on each subject, even quizzes and practice tests built right in. It's like having a personalized progress report available 24/7, so you know exactly where you stand. The AI can pinpoint specific concepts or chapters that are tripping you up and suggest additional resources or practice problems. It takes the guesswork out of studying, allowing you to focus your energy where it matters most. Chapter 4. Adaptive learning resources. No more information overload. We live in a world where we're constantly bombarded with information, and it can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to study. These smart study tools don't just tell you what to study, they curate the best resources to help you learn it effectively. Imagine this, you're struggling with a particular physics concept. You enter it into the app, and boom! The AI pulls up a curated list of resources tailored to your learning style. We're talking interactive simulations, video lectures from renowned professors, even simplified explanations from educational websites. The AI takes your syllabus, learning style, and progress into account, ensuring that the materials you're using are actually relevant and helpful. It cuts through the noise and provides you with the most effective tools to master the material. No more wasting time on irrelevant videos or confusing explanations. Chapter 5. Stress reduction techniques. A calm mind learns best. We all know that studying can be incredibly stressful, especially when exams are looming. These AI study companions aren't just about boosting your grades, they're about supporting your overall well-being. Many AI study planners incorporate mindfulness techniques and stress reduction exercises right into your schedule. We're talking guided meditation sessions, breathing exercises, even short yoga routines, all designed to help you de-stress and come back to your studies feeling refreshed. Some apps can detect when your stress levels are rising and suggest taking a step back, maybe listening to some calming music or taking a walk outside. It's like having a built-in support system that understands the pressures of studying and provides you with the tools to manage that stress effectively. Outer level up your learning. The future of studying is here. So there you have it. The future of studying is here, And it's powered by AI. These incredible tools are transforming the way we learn, making the entire process more efficient, personalized, and even enjoyable. To get the most out of these AI study planners, start by setting clear, achievable goals. Don't be afraid to experiment with different features and find what works best for you. And most importantly, listen to the AI's recommendations. The future of studying is here, and it's all about working smarter, not harder. So embrace the power of AI, unlock your full academic potential, and get ready to ace those exams.